friends, welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. We're outside today because, as you might know, our kitchen is still under renovation. I'll give you an update in just a second. So we are filming from our beautiful backyard. It's a lovely day here in Southern California. So a while ago, I said that once I reached 100 subscribers, that we were going to be doing a giveaway. So thanks to a wonderful endorsement by the amazing Rebecca Robeson, we have now hit 144 subscribers as of the recording of this video. So it's time to be doing that giveaway. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be giving away one of my favorite tools in the kitchens, the cookie scoops. I'm sure you've seen me use them plenty of times. They're little round spring-loaded scoops, which are amazing not just for cookies, but for dishing out a whole bunch of things, keeping all of your proportions nice and even, therefore making everything else that comes out nice and even with your baking times. So here's the way it is going to work. We're going to have 3 winners. The first winner is going to receive a set of 3 of them because having them in various sizes is incredibly nice. I personally have them in 3 sizes myself. And then we'll have 2 second place winners who will just be receiving what is the typical standard size. So here's the way it's going to work. There are 3 ways to enter. And then you can enter, you get 1 entry for each thing that you do. So you can get a total of 3 entries. And then we're going to be doing a drawing at the end of this. So we have 3 ways to enter. The first one is with my 2 most popular videos, the TeamOrangeSlush and the BanyaBeef with Jose Carioca. So what I want you to do is I want you to go and comment on the video that you like best. Are you Team Orange Slush or are you Team BanyaBeef? Be sure though that when you do that to use the hashtag CosplayKitchen giveaway 2020. If you don't use the hashtag, I don't know you're entering and I will not count it as entry. So be sure to comment on the bottom, Team Orange Slush or Team BanyaBeef and the hashtag Cosplay Kitchen Giveaway 2020. The next way to enter is I want you to go and tell me what is your favorite video. So I want you to go ahead and comment on your favorite video, again with the hashtag of Cosplay Kitchen Giveaway 2020. And then the third and final way is through Facebook. Share that same video, whichever one is your favorite. Share it on Facebook. Once again, in case you haven't figured it out yet, with the hashtag of Cosplay Kitchen Giveaway 2020. Keep in mind though, if your profile is private, I cannot see it. So hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any questions about it, please be sure to let me know in the comments below. So let's go take a quick look at that kitchen. All right, all of the cabinet carcasses are in. They have been primed their first coat. I have filled any of the holes, sanded them down so they're ready for their last coat of primer so we can get painting. This is where my beautiful farmhouse sink is gonna go. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but my sink before was really tiny and it was even shallower than it looked. So I'm gonna have this big, wonderful sink. The wall's all patched up now. Up here, this cabinet used to be about 2/3 the size. We got a much, much bigger cabinet for more stuff. Yee! We got rid of the shutters out over here. We're keeping them in this room because it'll help to create flow into the rest of the downstairs. But over here, it's gonna have a different window treatment. We're gonna have some Roman shades. As you can kind of see, it's a little green out there. That is where the vegetable garden is. So I'll be able to look out and see my beautiful vegetable garden. Added in another cabinet over there. That was just a huge blank space. Down there are the door fronts that camera guy has made, and then I spent the evening last night filling and sanding. There is Kat, who is very confused by this whole process and generally displeased.